Hello, this is AJ McDonald with Devin Jones. We're out on location, so we're out enjoying the great beauty of Colorado. Devin, what happened this week?
The biggest news would be the government is back in business.
Yes. Well, yes, exactly. So we had the Senate and the House pass the continued resolution to get it back opened up.
Yeah.
So that's great till the end of January with some strings attached.
Right.
So we'll have to wait and see how that turns out. Might have another shutdown next year.
Might. I mean, chances are decent, I would suppose. You know, they work so well together this time around. So
Yeah.
one would guess maybe not so smooth, but at least they're, at least they come to an agreement and kick the can down the road for a bit.
Yeah.
So.
Trump talked about a couple of extra things this week. The $2,000 tariff rebate to everyone except for rich people.
Exactly. Yes.
I think it's very unlikely that will happen.
I would agree with you.
Yeah. So also talked about a 50-year mortgage.
50-year mortgage, I mean, kind of the thing behind it is, we'll hopefully drive those mortgage payments down. There's a lot of skepticism on that as far as if that will actually happen. Rates are going to be higher on those, so one would think that it's probably going to be close to a wash. I don't know, what do you think the chances are that it even comes to pass?
I think it's very poor. So I don't think that'll happen either. Freddie and Fannie, that's illegal. So we'd have to have Congress fix that.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's unlikely we'll see a 50-year mortgage.
I do
And it really isn't so much the problem with loan rates right now. It's a lack of supply.
Right.
And so really that's a big issue. Tariffs on lumber or steel, that doesn't help the price of homes.
Yeah, I mean, it's keeping the prices elevated. So yeah, if you don't have enough inventory and it costs more to build them, it's going to keep the price high. So you're right. The rates are not the problem at this point.
Poor old Penny.
Penny is going to be no longer.
Yep. So Penny is not going to be minted any longer.
Yeah, I did see that. I didn't realize that it cost 2.5 cents to mint 1 cent.
Yes.
So
yeah,
it's obviously not cost effective. And I don't know about you, I do not carry change. I mean,
no.
The folks or clients that are watching this, some of you probably still carry change. I am not one of those. So.
Well, and a nickel costs something like 7 or 8 or 11 cents or something like that. So.
Right. I mean, there's other countries that have gotten rid of their smaller denominated currency, and so we will not be alone in that. So,
Exactly.
One would guess that that's no big deal.
No. Stock market didn't react very well on Thursday.
No, usually they price these things in. I mean, you would think that we'd get a nice bump because the government is, at least they passed the deal to get it back open, but a lot of that's already been priced in. It was kind of not a big deal. So
Well, I think
other things are the problem.
Yeah, I think the big deal is not having the data from October and half almost of November. So not sure what the Fed is going to do, Federal Reserve, on interest rates next month.
Yeah.
And they've already said maybe they don't cut rates again.
Yeah, and I think the market's already priced it, at least earlier on, it priced in a rate cut for December. So
yes,
now it's just kind of repricing, and maybe we don't have a rate cut in December.
Yeah, so I think maybe some profit taking, some concerns. Employment is not very good. ADP numbers, not the best, and not having any government data. I think investors said, you know what, let's just pull some money off the table.
Yeah, I'd agree. And as far as the Fed goes, I mean, we've talked about this as far as them having a dual mandate in the past. There's some yellow flashes that are coming with both sides, employment and with inflation. So, we're just going to have to wait and see, kind of see what the plan is there. But 50-50, I would say at best, if they cut rates in December.
Yeah. So thanks for watching. As you can see, we're in a little different work attire, enjoying the great outdoors and a little bit of hunting. So if you have any questions, please give the office a call, and thanks for watching.